Okay, good afternoon everyone. Time for an unboxing video. The Amazon man's just arrived. Don't know whether you can see that. Let's get it unboxed. Oh, okay. Let me just get them out of this frigging phone. Well, they're well packed anyway. There we have it. It's got like a pinky tinge to it. The tumblers from Amazon. Cost $12.99 for the two. You get a $370ml one and a 300ml one, and they are hand blown, and they have this really rugged look to them, like ice. They have like a pinky reflection tinge through them, as you can see. $12.99, small one. I live on my own, so I only want one of each, and it was just ideal. No, it's not crystal, but it is tough glass. There you have it. The pink Grident glass cups. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.